What's up guys, welcome to this video. And much awaited Galaxy Watch, yes, the successor to the Gear S3 is now official from Samsung. So let's have a look at the specs, features and the new design. So the Galaxy Watch is now offered in two different sizes. So they are the 46mm and the 42mm version of the Galaxy Watch. Except the size, else everything is same with the two versions of the watches. But the downside with the bigger model is that it is available only in just one color option, and that is silver, whereas the smaller 42mm version of the Galaxy Watch is available in two color options, which are the rose gold and also the midnight black. I don't know why Samsung has not included the midnight black color option with the 46mm version of the Galaxy Watch. And talking about the connectivity, the watches will be available with or without LTE across the US. And Samsung has included a lot of health features in the watch, including stress and sleep management. The other features include water resistance up to 5 ATM and also the Tizen 4.0 with Bixby on board. New DX Plus Corning Gorilla Glass that will protect the watch from scratches. If you have a Gear S3, it's okay, don't freak out. The design with the new watches is pretty much the same as that of Gear S3, only new color combinations and hardware is changed with the Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch will come with 470 mAh of battery that Samsung is saying that will provide up to 7 days of battery life, and the screen on the Galaxy Watch is the same as that of Gear S3, which is an OLED screen. In the last, let's talk about the pricing. The watch will be available for purchase starting from 24th of August for $380 for the bigger 46mm version of the Galaxy Watch, and the smaller 42mm version of the Galaxy Watch will be available for $360, and they are without LTE configuration. I think it's a bit pricey watch. So guys, that was it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one with the Galaxy Watch.